Hello, everybody. Welcome to Watanabeshow. My name is Princess Kasta, and today we have Priyanka and Kora along with us. So we are here to explain you about our exclusive 3-month live trading show, which we will be starting from 29th of December with a 25 lakh rupees as a capital. So in this 3-month exclusive Zoom session, you will be all you have to do is just sit with your trading terminals just for 10 minutes in the morning and 10 minutes in the evening. So whether you're a professional or a salaried person, then this one is definitely for you. And it's not just only about trading, but you will also be learning about different trading ideas and the process that goes behind it, along with analysis that is being done based on the current day price action. It's not just about trading, but we will also be discussing about investments into equities, ETFs, and so on. Along with that, you will also get access to asset allocation webinar, do-it-yourself screener, you will and how to store nifty historical options in Excel and to back test various option structures in Excel. Not just that, but you will also get a weekly Q&A session for in-depth discussion. But yes, we do not wait for weekends for our queries to get solved. So we have a Telegram channel, and more about all this will be explained by Priyanka. So over to you, Priyanka.
Thank you, Princey. You gave a briefing about everything. So let me go a little bit in depth. So like Princey mentioned, we have live Zoom sessions from morning 9:10 to 9:30 or 9:45, and evening it's from 3 to 3:15. So you can see there's an AM show and there's a PM show. All the sessions are recorded. So even if you missed a particular show, you can come back and check for the recordings. And our trading is based on intense back tests. So all the based on today's price action and how the market is behaving, we'll pick up some patterns, and this is done through data mining. This is just an example. So this is a pattern that we were selected for that particular day to trade. So in our trading style, we go through intense back testing and how an strategy will perform. We'll provide you with an equity curve also. So these are all the folders for that. And along with that, whatever you require for yourself to learn about it is also present. These are the index files and all our bank data mining files. And we're not only emphasize on options trading, but also we focus on asset allocation. So if you can see, we have an asset allocation webinar also that is planned into this curriculum. In that we have, we'll make Nifty 50 portfolio, MSL 400 portfolio, and something very interesting for me and for others also is insider portfolio that we rebalance every month. And so all of that will be taught into this webinar. Not only that, there's so many things that you will get here. So that includes backtesting metrics and how to keep your Nifty index sheet updated. So these are the things that you will get in the 25 lakh show. So let's move on to the trade. Oh, before moving on to the trade journal, Princey mentioned one part about our Telegram community. So here you can post your queries and like-minded people will answer your queries. Yeah, this is the vibrant Telegram community that we are currently hosting. So yeah, let's move on to trade journal, like what's happening in this October to December show. Over to you, Princey.
Thanks, Priyanka. So like Priyanka mentioned, we not just only trade into options, but also stocks. So these are the trades that we have taken from the first week of October and the rationale behind each trade based on the current price action. Now, what I mean by current price action is whether it's the first day of the series is up or it's a 20-day high cycle and so on. So all these rationales are taken into consideration, and based on that, different trading strategies are being back tested, and whichever has the high probability, definitely that one is being picked up. Moving towards the stock part, so these are the stocks currently in our portfolio, and we are with a profit of around 7.68% with a benchmark of Nifty Bs, which is at 7.93%. Kora, would you like to add more on this?
So basically, the Nifty Bs and our portfolio are in line, not much excess returns. That's because the absolute returns are not the right benchmark here. So we are deploying our portfolio in a staggered fashion. So XIRR should be the right benchmark. If you see the ETF portfolio, we just deployed like last week. against 10 weeks of our trading. So that's why it just gives you 2.5% returns. One drawback is our Nifty 50 portfolio is underperforming 5% versus 7.5%, 7.9% of Nifty Bs. But the micro cap and MSL 400 other indices, because they're rallying. Again, insider portfolio is absolute returns of 17%. Yeah, hopefully it will continue like that. But XIRR there would be very higher number because we have deployed those 4 trades in 3 months at each month end. Yeah, so but I'm okay with our P&L being 7.5% and Nifty 100 is at 8%. But the right metric should be XIRR here, where we would have outperformed massively against the Nifty 100 Bs, which is our benchmark. Yeah.
So moving towards our weekly consolidated part. So we started with the 25 lakh rupees capital in season 1, which is currently at 28 lakh 21,900 rupees. And overall, cumulatively, we have made a profit of 12, roughly around 13%, versus the Nifty's, which is at 7.5%. Cumulatively, through option, we have made a profit of around 1,95,477, and in stocks, we have made a profit of around 1,26,422. Yeah, going back to our trading platform. So, Priyanka, please let us go through the trading platform.
Yeah, Princy. So this is our trading platform. So you can see that we have invested 16,46,916 and our portfolio is up 7.67%. That is giving us a gain of 1,26,357 report. So if we go to the back office, I've already opened it, but yeah. And if we select from October 1st, so it will give us a picture of how much we made. So we have made around 190 and after charges, so we have made net realized 1,70,529 rupees. Yeah, that is our options PNL. So, Princy, want to talk about the metrics?
Yes. So far from first week of October, we have taken around 256 trades, out of which 178 were winners, which is around 70% of winning rate. So far we have completed 10 weeks, out of which 6 weeks were winning weeks for us. Yeah, Kura, would you like to add more on this?
Numbers it's only 10 data points, 10 weeks. The thing is, the shop is a very, very high number, 3.29. Most of the professional traders would be happy if it is above 2. But again, as I said, like very small data points, so not too much to read into it. The one drawback or one weak point in our trading so far is beta is high at 1.4. Ideally, I wanted to, or we prefer it around 1 or less than 1. We have an alpha which is 0.24% per month. That's good thing. That's excess returns, risk adjusted against the benchmark, which is Nifty 50. One bad thing is R square, that is at 86%. That means we are in line with the market at 86% of the time. Ideally, we want to be less correlated with the market. So that number, preferred number for me would be less than 50. But again, we can't have all choices. In the small amount of data, that is only 10 weeks. So these numbers make sense. If you have a 25-week data, at least minimum data points. If you continue like this, the CAGR stands at 87%, which is very, very high. Hopefully, we'll continue like this. We had a drawdown of 5% against those 87% returns. Also stressing the point, 87% returns are pre-tax, pre-charges. So that might translate to, again, if you hit that number at the end of a year, after 1 year, it might translate to 45 to 50% post-tax and post-charges. Yeah, Princess.
So guys,
Uh,
that was okay. So guys, that was all about our exclusive 3-month live trading show, and also we have shared with you the performance. Now, an
the whole
additional
thing
thing.
is this whole how to store Nifty indices data. Just go to that. Go to the Watanabe.in. Come down. This whole exercise of fourth bullet point, that how to store options data and index data and how to test various option structures, is about 25 to 30 hours. That's what the educational content you get apart from your day-to-day trades. And if you continue for 3 months or 6 months, some of the repeatable patterns, repeatable regularities in option structures go into your head. You can place the trades from your head rather than going back and forth in your Excels. So in your trading journal, go to the trading journal, detailed trading journal, option trades. So you will see a lot of commonalities after 500 trades or something like that. So those are the repeatable regularities is what I mean. Yeah, if you filter all of them, you will find some trades we are repeating every week, week after week, day after day. That would also be our part of learning exercise. And also because you have a historical back test, you have a little confidence in placing the trade. Yes, let's see what.
So guys, this is not just about trading, but it's also about learning. You will get an additional 50 hours of learning different trading patterns directly from Mr. Koda Reddy himself. And yes, make the most of it, because at present we are running an early bird discount. So usually this package is for around 25,000, but because after discount, it is at present available at 19,999. So make the most of it, and do subscribe for our channel, and I will see you in our next video. Bye.
Yeah, before going, this will be linked in the description below. Guys, please check it out. Bye.